In today's video, I'll show you how to change the console name of your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app, and then scroll down until you are in the section called System. On here, scroll down and select the option called Console Nickname. You can now enter the new name that you want, and once you're happy, confirm this by choosing OK, and the name will now update. That's how to change the console name of your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.